guys, welcome to another week of Storm Chasers. Today we're talking more about hurricanes, and I want to do another experiment with you that you can do in your kitchen that shows about how powerful the wind is in the waves of a hurricane. So, you'll need a few things. First, you'll need a baking dish that's a little bit deep. Second, you'll need a rock. You'll also need a ruler, a straw, bendy straws if you have one. If not, silicone straws work as well. And you'll need some tape. And last but not least, you'll need some water. So what you want to do first is you want to tape that straw to the corner of the baking dish. Now, this baking dish is going to act like the ocean. I'm going to pour water into the ocean, and my breath, or whoever breath that goes through the straw, when you blow through the straw, is the wind. So you want to experiment by seeing the water levels. Now imagine your wind here can be up really high in the sky or really low close to the surface of the ocean. So we're going to put some water in, and we're going to experiment. We'll stop there for a sec. You can go ahead and blow. As you can see, there's some wind right over there, and that's what we want to see. We want to see what happens when we blow through the straw. And when you blow through the straw, there is waves that happen. So I'm going to add just a little bit more water there, and I'm going to see if there's stronger winds or lesser winds. Let's see. I can see more waves. So you can keep on doing this, put a little bit more water in until you get really close to the straw. You don't want the straw to go underneath the water, but you can get it close to the water. All right. Now, what you want to do is you want to put that rock and make it look like an island. So we're going to put that right in there in the water. Now, when a hurricane happens, there's a thing called a water surge. And that water surge is where the water leaps up onto the land. And they usually measure that, like a 20-foot surge, 30-foot surge, 10-foot surge. So this kind of shows you what the surge is all about. So you can pretend to be the hurricane by blowing through the straw, and you can see how much of the water goes on to the land. Now, got the land in the water here. With that marker, you can go ahead and take a little mark, and then you can blow in the direction to see if you got any water onto the land. If you do, then you can go ahead and mark it again where that water hit the land, and then you can measure it to see what your surge is and how powerful you are as a hurricane.